Hey, Jewelry Divas, it's Angela of Earrings by Angela. Hey, I want to introduce you to one of the squad. If you've worked with me before, you know that the squad consists of three amazing tools, and today our focus is the round nose pliers. You know what? Don't ever underestimate what the round nose pliers can do because they do a shitload of stuff, really. Okay, excuse the language, maybe not. I'm spicy today. So what I have here is a 20 gauge wire. Here's the first job of the round nose. The round nose pliers will make loops for you, okay? Depending on how big you want the loop, you can start here for the biggest, and of course you descend to the smallest. Let's see it in action. So you want to grab the wire on the end, and I want to make a small loop. And I'm just going to twist the wire to make that loop. Look how nice that loop is, you guys. Really cool, right? That's one thing. Now, here's something else. We can stop there, and this would be called an eye pin, right? Or we can take this loop, grab it, and start to make a swirl just by twisting into that wire. Look at that. We're just going to guide it with our fingers. We can cheat a little bit here. Guide it with our fingers and make a spiral. Now, what is happening, you guys? There are two things happening. I can either leave this as a spiral and cut it off so that it becomes a bead cap. Whoa, shut the front door. Or I can take it and grab it here and bend it a little bit backwards, what I call breaking the neck. And now I have a decorative head pin. Okay, so those, look, isn't this magnificent? This is what it can do. Let me cut this off and show you something else. I'm going to grab the other squad. Hey, wire cutters, thanks for making an appearance. We kind of need you, but our focus is, and that just flew across the room in case you didn't know. Our focus is the round nose. So now what you can also do is you can make your own jump rings. Check this out. So you're going to grab the wire. Say I ran out of jump rings, and I'm just going to make that loop, right? This is about how big I want my jump ring. I'm just going to keep guiding it next to it. Look at that. I'm just guiding. Just we're listening to music and guiding our way around the pliers. So now you have where you can make your own jump rings. I'm going to take my wire cutters and I'm just going to snip right there, and check that out. I just made 3 jump rings. So that's what you can do in an emergency. And again, I'm using 20 gauge wire. Actually, you can use 20 gauge, 22, 16, 18, however thick you want it. And then if you want to know how to open and close the jump ring, watch the other video because we got to stay focused. Okay, so we made a spiral, we made jump rings, and now I'm going to show you something else cool. You know those combs that we use sometimes, and if you've downloaded the ultimate tool list, you'll see combs on there. Watch this. Starting at the close to the tip. Okay, I'll go closer. Just how we just made those jump rings, we're going to guide it downward towards the larger part, and we're just using our wrist to continue to twist. Did I just wrap? I'm gonna sign a contract, you guys. And we're using our thumb, we're working together, and we're going down towards the biggest part of the round nose pliers. Check it. Are you seeing this? Do you see how it's forming? This is freaking awesome. No, I will not be getting any karaoke awards today. Now, it depends on how big you want the cone, okay? But check it. Look at that. Look at that. You see how it's coming together? Now, this can be used for two different things. You can keep it as a cone, or you just made some different size jump rings. And I'm going to stop there. Oh, slide, and it slides off. Okay. I'm going to use the wire cutter. Thank you for making another appearance, wire cutters. Okay. And now I'm going to use the round nose to just kind of tuck this in a little bit. Now, how do you use the cone? Guess what? That's for another video. We want to stay focused. So here's the cone. So we made jump rings, we made cones, and we made spirals. You guys, 3 different ways to use your round nose, and I just saved you a crap load of money. You are welcome. Join me for another video with Earrings by Angela. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any courses, any classes, notifications. Sign up in the description for your free basic jewelry course. You guys, let's create with this stuff that we're making and download your ultimate tool list. Have a great day. Keep creating. Talk to you soon.